Pleased to have with us, Bar. I must always remember when I use the first name Bar to get that right. Bar Israeli, who is a strategic advisor with Salesforce for EMEA, and we're very privileged to have the first presentation from Bar about Salesforce's new business builder program, which is kicking off in Israel now. It's the first country in EMEA to launch this. So please welcome Bar onto the stage. Thank you very much, and take it away.
Thank you very, very much, Johnny. Hi all, my name is Bar Israeli. I'm leading the App Exchange Business Builder program at Salesforce, working at Salesforce for 8 years. I'm committing to supporting you as a startup throughout your life cycle, or you as a founder to bring your vision to life. Please, before I start, it's important to say, make your decision on stock investment at Salesforce considering public information only. Now, before I start, I would like to say thank you. Thank you first for taking the time to meet with me today. We are here to help you and your company find success with Salesforce. We owe all our success to our customers and partners in the ecosystem. And one of the key of all of our success is our shared value. As you know, Salesforce has founded on 4 values that guide us throughout times: trust, customer success, innovation, and equality. As our CEO, Mark Benioff, wrote to customers early in the crisis, our values haven't changed. In fact, COVID-19 has only intensified our commitment to helping you, our partner, our customers, to be successful in navigating new challenges triggered by this pandemic. And a lot of my partners just earned out of it. So what is our core values? As I said, it is trust, customer success, innovation, and equality. But what does it mean? In our number 1 value is customer trust, our technology and our infrastructure to platform to be available, to be secured. In fact, everyone can go to trust.salesforce.com at any time to see how our system is performing around the world. We also have a trust relationship with our customers, partner, communicate openly and transparently about this. Customer success, we've built a company based on customer success with people, programs, and focus making everyone successful. Innovation. As a technology company, we value constant innovation to advance our industry and our company. We offer 3 releases every year, and we are consistently innovating so our customers can automatically access to the latest technology, allowing them to innovate, build, stay ahead on their industry. Our partners value those releases and enjoying those upgrade and innovation to serve their customers as well. Equality, we value equality to every individual, to our company, and it is our community. Equality is a core tenet to how we run our business. And we believe that equality and diversity make us a better company. We also create an office ethical and human use to ensure technology is being used to the good. There is our value. We also know that our customers have their own corporate value. Aligning to customers and partners' value is a great way to build communication. And we think that it's important to consider how we can do this with our customers. These values are our foundations of Salesforce. And they're inspired us to improve the world around us. So let's begin. We are here on the Fintech. The trends are not new, but they're driving the needs for transformation. New competitors, we're emerging every day. Challengers Bank from the UK and Europe, N26 moving to the US. Disruptive new product ideas of a non-FinServ company like Facebook, Uber, regulatory complexity, continue to increase and data privacy and to control at a center of the conversation. Last year it was GDPR, and this year it's going to be California Consumer Privacy Act. PSD2 is driving open banking Europe, and it's starting to influence banking in the US as well. And lately, customer behavior continued to evolve. Even through data privacy, top of their mind, customers are willing to share ever more information. It drives personalization and data privacy advice. But firms that are not prepared to provide that experience will miss out the opportunity to know their customer better. All of these focus are digital transformation necessary to stay competitive and remain at all hearts of our customer financial lives. So it's not surprising that according to study of McKinsey, 80% of the organization have began digital transformation. Yet there are shocking statements. 14% report that they have made some improvement. Only 3% reported completed successfully to sustain their changes. Digital transformation is like scaling the Everest. A lot of people are trying, very few are succeeding. And it is hard because it's transformation, not translation. They are not just translating processes, you reinventing them, and they are obstacle, legacy tech, org silos, skill gaps, all of those obstacles are there in front of us. So how does it relate to Business Builder program? We are here to seek for the partners for Salesforce, and we will help every partner that we choose through application platform, allow application to be quickly built, innovative fast, and scale fast. This is Business Builder mission. You can see in this nice list that I pulled around, the companies with Israel flag are Israeli companies that decided to build on Salesforce platform. As you can see, 4.2 million new Salesforce ecosystem jobs around the world, more than $100 billion IPOs, acquisitions value through 2016, 20% investment despite 70% only on pass for the partners who chose to build on Salesforce platform. And why? How do we help our partners to expedite the one that decide to invest in us? We cut development costs, reduce risk, we get market faster, we build credibility, and we sell together into the enterprises. It starts with making sure that your application is delivering our customers' need and helping to solve their challenge. From the perspective of AppExchange customer, the question comes down to, why should I care? What is it for me to create that impact with customers? There are three key ways. First of all, to think about bringing your application to AppExchange. First, is your application looking to extend Salesforce for existing customers? Think about if your technology enhance our capability and our customer investments in Salesforce. Second option is, does your application fill a Salesforce white spaces? This is a huge area of opportunity to partners. You can help Salesforce create a more robust solution that helps fill gaps in our technology. You can think of Own Backup, you can think of Stradivar, you can think of Docomotion, all of them are Israeli built on Salesforce platform. Third, does your application serve a niche or industry need? If you have certain type of expertise, your application can often be sold to any business, whether it is Salesforce customer or not. There are three areas should give you a better idea of how you can frame your application. value proposition and where it can fit within Salesforce. This is Customer 360. If you were to rebuild this platform, it is what you'd need to bring together. All of this is existing for you to serve your need. And this, it's a lot. So there is a lot to see here. So let me hit the highlights for you as a starting point. As you can see, the platform provides a wide array of functionality and service that can be used to build your application. If you think about three main requirements for any application, it's database, business logic, and user interface. They are all there. There are a variety of ways to store data and protect it. You can create business rules using low-code components, using full-code components, and for any specialized or proprietary business logic. Lastly, you can have a variety of user interfaces to choose from that allow you a wide range to users' access to your application. This includes having ability to create your own custom UI. Also, you can see three of other components that add a feature to your application, such as API enablement, mobile, and business analytics. Finally, there are components and tools to manage the development lifecycle and to distribute your application to your customers. There is a lot of customers to build on. So what is the magic that makes those components so powerful for you? As you may have understood, the Salesforce platform is a way more than infrastructure. Thanks to the shared services and to the core object, they are ready to be used and consumed. If you own the app, you can quickly deliver the first version of app. All you need is to focus on the orange layer, as you can see above, to model your business experience and a data model flow, user experience, and AI patterns. So why do companies build their application on Salesforce platform? They can build them fast, low-code components, non-development resources. They can adopt leading edge of technology faster, which keeps their application competitive, and the ability to scale fast, which allow them to sell to all customer type and industry. You can see there is many good reasons to build on Salesforce platform. But what does this impact does to your business? Using Salesforce platform, developers and non-developers can experience up to 57% increase in development speed when it comes to developing application on Salesforce. Based on the independent study conducted by IDC, by tapping into the tools and innovation that sits on top of Salesforce platform, some organizations have experienced higher revenue, more application features developed, and large cost saving over a 5 years ROI. This is why companies choose the Salesforce platform for their application, faster development, low cost. So who does this? I just gave the Encina because we are in this area. All of the partners can share their experience. As you know, Encina is an OEM, it's native, premier, it's actually speed to market, credibility to trust, innovation and technology is their rule. 100% annual revenue growth year over year, 55 average customer growth. The App Exchange has been a huge customer acquisition. Around 73% of Encina customers are Salesforce customers. Our customer base, again, represent a massive opportunity to solve enterprise customer challenges. We have over 150,000 customers in over 100 countries who are looking to install application to their Salesforce investment. And it is not just a small subset that uses AppExchange. 80% of our customers use the latest AppExchange apps. And this raises into 95% on the Fortune 100. We so see adoption around the globe with brands of all sizes. This is the audience you should think about when growing your business with Salesforce. My team. So what am I doing? What my team is doing? My team is here to support founders making the decision to start with Salesforce by accompanying you to regards of the best way to design your architecture and product with Salesforce technology to use in order to increase the value proposition from day one. Tech, sales, marketing enablement, the best way to leverage the distribution technology provided by Salesforce. Just build an app. Don't build a trial or demo or sandbox system. For instance, it is instantly available, as well as opportunity to align with Salesforce core values such as equality, diversity, trust, and transparency. When you are partners with Salesforce, you are not alone, you are with us. We also help you to grow and align with Salesforce with a host of included benefits that are available to partners as part of the program. All partners are equipped with a variety of helpful resources to help them at each stage of their journey. From education to architecture guidance, to development tools, to best practices, we help new partners get oriented to Salesforce. We've got you covered with the right resources when you need it the most. I call myself kind of Mary Poppins. Our goal is to help make you widely successful as a partner. We know that when you're successful, you make our customers successful, and we will shine together. So how you begin your journey? I'm saying that if you want to start thinking of Salesforce and begin your journey, why would you not ask? This is part of the partners in Israel that build on Salesforce platform. Doron Sitbon, co-founder, CEO of Dot Compliance, AGLS, QMS, marvelous solution. Oren Leshem, Docomotion, he is now working with retail industry, manufacturing industry, and actually horizontal. He built everything from scratch over the cloud, competing S-Docs, competing Conga, and replacing them now one by one. Rafi Epstein, co-founder, CEO of Stradivar, who have a dedicated solution for CPQ capability. Novidea, it's actually FinServe industry, a beautiful solution, the first global solution for insurance brokers, one of the best, if not the best. And Taxi, Eitan Cohen, co-founder and CEO of Technology C, that became an OEM of Salesforce. And of course, you have own backup to you, the one that you know, Simplite, and more and more. And if you want to hear more of them, Salesforce Live Israel is in June 1st, and we are going to have a dedicated session with each one of them to ensure understanding what it is entrepreneurship, what is this journey, and to let them give you the tips and tricks needed to be successful in our ecosystem. Thank you very, very much for listening. Even though I don't see you, I hope that you find it valuable.
Thank you very much, Bar. That was great, and you heard it here first. The new Salesforce program, Israel, the first place to launch it in EMEA. So thank you very much, Bar. We're going to move swiftly now, and